Top 5 AI side hustles you can start right now. What if I told you that AI could start making you money this week? That's right, you don't need to be a tech genius, and you don't need thousands of dollars. Today, I'll show you the top 5 AI side hustles you can start right now, and #5 might surprise you. Welcome back to Habit Media, where we turn trends into opportunities. If you're ready to start making money with AI, hit that like button and let's dive in. 1. AI-powered content creation tools. Chat, Jasper, Copy.ai. What to do: write blog posts, YouTube scripts, social media captions for clients. Why it works: businesses constantly need fresh content, and AI speeds up the process. Earning potential: $25 to $100 per article depending on quality and niche. Tip: use Fiverr or Upwork to find your first clients. 2. Add graphic design and thumbnails tools. Midjourney, Canva AI. Dolly. What to do: create YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, and logos. Why it works: visuals equals clicks. Every creator and small business needs eye-catching graphics. Earning potential: $5 to $30 per thumbnail, or $100 per package deal. Tip: offer a fast delivery service. AI can generate designs in minutes. 3. Video editing and faceless YouTube channels tools. Pictory, Runway Gen 2. Descript: what to do: start a faceless YouTube channel, motivational, history, tech, etc. Using AI for voiceovers, stock footage, and editing. Why it works: people binge faceless channels, and they can be monetized quickly. Earning potential: $500 to $5,000 a month once monetized. Tip: choose a niche you can consistently create content for. 4. AI-powered tutoring and coaching tools. Chat, Conmigo, AI quiz generators. What to do: offer tutoring services in English, math, coding, or languages using AI as a teaching assistant. Why it works: parents and students are looking for affordable tutoring options. Earning potential: $15 to $50 for on platforms like Reply, Cambly, or direct clients. Tip: use AI to create worksheets and personalized learning plans. 5. AI-powered business automation tools. Zapier, Chat, plugins, Notion AI. What to do: help small businesses automate tasks like email replies, customer service, or social media scheduling. Why it works: businesses save time equals businesses pay you. Earning potential: $300 to $1,000 per client monthly. Tip: market yourself as a productivity consultant using AI tools. So, there you have it, the top 5 AI side hustles you can start right now. Which one are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and let me know. And remember, the earlier you start, the faster you can build your income stream. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI money-making tips, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. The future belongs to those who use AI, not fear it. Start your journey today.